Okay guys, we got a tree that's leaning pretty good. Gonna put a triple hinge on it and we'll explain that as we go. At least 60-degree hinge, if not just a little bit more. That way we maintain control as we go down. Got rid of this so I could see where my points line up so I can judge how big my triple hinges need to be. Using this to measure my depth, so my triple hinges are only on about half of the diameter of the tree. Winter time, so fibers don't want to bend without breaking, so that's why we put a triple hinge in this side. Bored all the way in. I have my desired hinge thickness, and now I'm just gonna go all the way around, finish it off, and the tree's just gonna fall over. Just added security, put this in. A couple hinges, that's all we have to do, just in case we have to drive it.